Maya.
Miguel. Maya. Miguel.
Maya.
Miguel.
Maya.
Miguel.
Maya, Maya, Maya.
Miguel.
Watch Maya and Miguel every day on PBS Kids Go.
Yeah.
What animal can open a jar just by watching a person do it? It may be gooey and gross, but it's about as smart as a dog and very good with its arms. That's right, it's the octopus. Scientists have seen this marvelous mollusk get into jars and bottles and even separate fish tanks several feet and 8 legs apart. Go!
Maya and Miguel is funded in part by a Ready to Learn, No Child Left Behind grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Fun for everyone makes a family strong. Chuck E. Cheese's proudly supports PBS Kids.
Maya and Miguel
is brought to you in part by America's dairy farmers, the Got Milk people, who believe that teaching your kids about nutritious foods is the foundation for strong bodies and smart minds.
Look, it's a polar bear. A monkey on a skateboard. A bunny in a tutu.
Inspiring imagination every day. Build-A-Bear Workshop, a proud sponsor of
Maya and Miguel.
Go! Go!
Kids 13, yay!
This is Max. He's 3. A big boy like Max wants to be independent. Most of the time, Max is happy, but sometimes he's not sure what he's feeling. After all, he's busy learning about his world. With so much to handle, sometimes frustration takes over. Add tired and hungry, and that's when a meltdown happens. What can you do?
Mommy's here. Mommy's here, man.
Stay close
Mommy's
and let him know
here.
you care. You're showing him his feelings count. And remember, your child isn't the only one who wants to be independent. This is Emma. She's 3. A big girl like Emma wants to be independent. Kids learn how to handle emotions from you. For more information on parenting, visit pbsparents.org.
It's all how you look at it. It's all how you look at it. What is it? It's sticky. Feels pretty gross. It could be worms. Feels very slimy. Or it could be snakes. An octopus. A plain old eel. I think it's mermaid hair. Big chunks of... Oh, I know. It's a crab. Creepy crawlers. It's all how you look at it. Let's try mixing colors. What do yellow and blue make? Green, like a frog. What do red and yellow make? Orange. It's a butterfly.
You're watching Kids 13.
Funding for Teletubbies was provided by...
Looking for something fun and educational? We help families discover the fascinating possibilities of the internet. Looksmart.com. Proud to sponsor
Teletubbies.
Because nothing inspires the imagination quite like the magic of train travel, Amtrak is proud to support
Teletubbies
on PBS. You can never have too many friendly faces out on the rails.
Express yourself.
Teletubbies is made possible in part by the makers of Danimals Yogurt, proud to help kickstart your child's growth and development for life. Kellogg's Rice Krispies. Celebrating the joy of kids growing through interaction.
And by the annual financial support of PBS viewers like you.